Welcome back. So I want to discuss one more idea about overriding this static method here. So we have mentioned that we can't really override the static method, but there is something that was very interesting that I wanted to show. So we're creating, we have class parent and we have class child, which extends the parent. Each one of them has different static show method, which is basically for the parent we're printing the parent, and for the child we're printing the child. So what happens, we're creating an object of type parent, and the object itself is a new child, which is this one. So when we're saying show here, it's calling this one and not this one, even though the object is a child. So if we check the warning here, static member parent accessible by instance reference. So this is basically, since you're referencing to a parent, you're gonna be accessing the show within this parent, and if you try it, of course, to make it child, it's gonna be calling this show, which is child. So I just wanted to show you this approach, because it was kind of nice to look at, and this is a tricky question if you want to ask in an interview, but I don't know who's the evil person who might be asking this question.